Okay, fine. Now you can try this kind of question also, same question. See, we can keep on doing this kind of illustrations till you feel comfortable. You will find most of these illustrations in H.C. Verma and all. Hopefully. Okay. You can try this one. There are two blocks, block A, block B. Now this block is moving upward with 10 meter per second. Find out the velocity of the block B. You can pause the screen and you can try this one and then come back. Chalo, now listen. Same point method. Nothing new. Mark all the points first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Only focus on one string. Don't confuse and go to the other string. When you are applying the point method, only focus on the string where you want to apply. Now this point is trying to go up. That means this is trying to decrease the length of the string. So minus 10. 0, 0. Why 0, 0? This is at rest. This is also at rest. These are neither stretching nor doing anything. 0, 0. And we want to find out. We don't know the velocity. I am assuming this is moving down with a velocity v. If my answer is wrong, I will get the negative or opposite sign. So you need not to worry. You can keep anything. Now when this block is trying to move down with v, this point is also trying to move down with v. This point is also trying to move down with v. This is trying to increase. This is also trying to increase. So this one plus v. I am ignoring all zeros. This one is also plus v. 0, 0 and this one again plus v. Should be is equal to 0, which is equal to 3v is equal to 10 and v is equal to 10 by 3. This is the answer and we got the correct answer. V is equal to positive. V is equal to positive means that this is trying to stretch the length of the string. In this pulley block system, see, yeah, you can note it down. Pause the screen and note it down. One more kind of a question. Now listen carefully. There are two pulleys, two blocks tied with a pulley with this kind of an arrangement, let's say. Like this. And this is hinged. This is hinged. Hinged means, you know, this is neither moving. And now this, if this pulley starts moving right side with 10 meter per second. Find out the velocity of this one. The velocity of the block A is 10 meter per second and you need to find out the velocity of the block B, whether it's right side or left side, and you need to find out. No problem, you can take the direction and if whatever the values you don't know, you assume it as V and you start solving the problem. You can pause the screen and try by the point method and you will get. Chalo, now listen. Mark all the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 points. This point is connected to this block here which is trying to move right side with 10 meter per second. That means this is trying to stretch. This is trying to stretch. So plus 10. This one is at rest. It is not at rest. It is moving with the velocity of the block B. So plus V or minus V. It is trying to decrease the length of the string. Minus V. This point is also same connected to this pulley which is intact connected to this block. This block is moving with V right side. We assume, so this one also minus V. This one, this block is trying to move right side with 10. So this point is being pulled right side by 10 which is trying to stretch the string. So plus 10 and this one also same way plus 10 and this is hinged. So plus 0. This is neither moving, this is a fixed one. Should be equal to 0 and now solve the answer and you will minus 2v and this is 30. So v is equal to 15. V positive. That means it is trying to, whatever the direction we have assumed is correct. That means it is trying to decrease the length. If your assumption, if you might have done your problem, suppose sir, what will happen if I take the direction in a different way? Suppose if same, the answer would have been a negative. That means whatever the direction you have assumed is wrong. Whether if it is a positive, the direction you have assumed is correct, otherwise it is negative. Hope few might have done this question 15 meters per second. We'll next move on to another segment. We'll club what? Inclined plane and the pulley block system. You can pass the screen and note it down.